Hello, welcome to Clara's Creation. Clara's Creation presents The Pig and the Dog cartoon animated story in a poetic form. There lived a man with a pig and a dog. In the field whole day he slogged. Both the pig and the dog were lazy. Whole day would eat, sleep and go crazy. One day when the man grew old, he called his companion and told, "Look, I'm aging, so you will have to earn your living." The following morning, the pig went on working, while the lazy dog was sleeping. At the end of the day, the pig returned. The dog stood up to show it was his turn. And when the master asked, the pig replied, "I have done my task." "That's a lie," the dog cried. The master wanted to find out the truth. And when he saw only the print of dog's foot, for no reason, the pig was punished all his life. Whereas the dog lived happily with his children and wife. Now students, let me quickly just summarize the story. It is a story of a farmer who had a pig and a dog. And when the farmer grew old, he asked his two companions, that is a pig and a dog, "See, look now, I have grown old, and you will have to earn your own living." Pig happened to sincerely follow his master's command. Next day he went in the field and started working hard. But the dog was lazy enough to work, was sleeping whole day. At the end of the day, when the pig returned, the dog stood up and showed that he has done all the work. So master decided to find out the truth. He went in the field to check, and to his surprise, he only saw dog's footprints. Poor pig, for no reason, was punished. He was asked to stay out of the house and eat the leftover thrown by the people and survive on it. Whereas the dog was allowed to stay with the master in the house and enjoy rest of his life with his children and wife, as you've seen in the story. Now, I want you to think over this, students. In a value education or moral science or maybe religion we study, honesty is the best policy, hard work is always rewarded, truth will triumph. But in this story, we do not see anything of it. Now, I want you to think over this. Here in this slide, you are shown two smiley images, Mr. A and Mr. B. Now, Mr. A is your friend and Mr. B is yourself. Now, students, you have done the project, you have taken the trouble to complete the project that your teacher had announced. But somehow your friend Mr. A happens to steal away your project. He goes and shows your project to the teacher and he manages to get the marks. And then when you go with your project, the teacher believes that you have cheated your friend, or you've stolen your friend's project, or robbed your friend's project, and you are punished. You try your best to prove yourself, but somehow you fail. Now, I want you to think over this. Just like in this story, the dog enjoyed all his life and the pig was punished. So, students, if you were in that place, as Mr. A has robbed your project and gone and handed it over to your teacher, and you are accused by the teacher, how will you react to this situation? Write down your opinion in your notebook. Pen down by Clara Rodrigues. Thank you.